Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Premiere Pro the focused app and picking the panel you want full screen, usually the program monitor or timeline. Once done, press the key to maximize that panel within the workspace. This hides other panels but keeps Premiere running normally. If you prefer the entire app full screen on macOS, press Ctrl-Command-F or F11 on Windows. Make sure to save your project first so layout changes won't risk unsaved edits. Next, optimize the view for your task. Go to Window Workspaces to choose or reset a workspace so panels behave predictably. For pure playback, double-click the program monitor to enter Media-Only View. That's great for checking composition without panel clutter. If you need a quicker workflow, assign a keyboard shortcut in Edit Keyboard Shortcuts for the key or full screen toggle. This saves time and ensures consistency across sessions, especially when switching between editing and review. To finish, press the key or the Escape key to return the panel to its original size. If you used App Full Screen, use the same shortcut you used to enter it. If panels don't revert or the interface looks broken, reset the workspace from Window Workspaces, Reset to Saved Layout. This restores positions without reinstalling. If problems persist, update Premiere Pro and your graphics drivers because outdated GPU support often causes display and full screen issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.